In my previous video, I showed you how to use sort methods. I also introduced you to sort modifiers, and I showed you how to use the descending modifier. In this video, I'll show you how to use the case-insensitive and the unique sort modifiers. I'll start with the case-insensitive modifier. The case-insensitive modifier is used to sort array elements without regard to their case. On the stage in Scene 1, I've added a dynamic text field which I've named txt_array, a button which I've named btn green, and another button which I've named btn orange. In my Actions panel, I'm going to create an array of random elements which I'll name heroes. All the elements will begin with an uppercase letter, with the exception of the dwarf. I'll display the contents of this array in the dynamic text field like this. Now, I'll create a function that I'll call sortAscending. Notice after I type the word mouse event, ActionScript automatically imports the mouse event class. I'll sort the heroes array in ascending order like this, and display the results in the txt_array text field. Then, I'll add an event listener. Now, I'll copy this function and paste it here. I'll rename this function sortCaseInsensitive. The case-insensitive modifier will modify the sort without regard to the case of the elements, and looks like this. I'll input array, period, and select case-insensitive from the drop-down list. Finally, I'll change the button name in the event listener to btn orange, and change the function call from sortAscending to sortCaseInsensitive. I'll test the movie. I'll click on the green button to sort my heroes. Notice the dwarf has ended up after the wizard. Then I'll sort my heroes using the case-insensitive modifier. And now, all the elements are sorted alphabetically. The unique sort modifier will only sort an array if there are no duplicate elements. If two identical values are found, the sort will be aborted. Let me show you how this works. I'll start with my previous project and make the following changes. I'm going to add two more dynamic text fields. I'll rename the first dynamic text field txt_array1. This text field will display the contents of an array that has no duplicate elements. I'll name the second text field txt_array2. This text field will display the contents of an array that has two identical elements. Then I'll name the third text field txt_array3. This text field will display the sorted arrays. I'll open my Actions panel. I'm going to replace heroes with heroes1. I'll select Replace All and click OK. Next, I'll copy this array and paste it here. I'll rename this array Heroes2. Copy the night element, add a comma after elf, and paste it here. Then I'll rename txt_array to txt_array1. I'll copy this line and paste it here. I'll rename txt_array1 to txt_array2. And I'll rename heroes1 to heroes2. Next, I'll apply the unique sort to the sortAscending function. Then I'll display the results in the third text field. Now I'll change the name of the case-insensitive function to sortUniqueSort. And apply the unique sort to the second array, like this. Again, I'll display the results in the third text field. And in the event listener, I'll rename sortCaseInsensitive to sortUniqueSort. Now let's test the movie. I'll apply a unique sort to the first array, and in the third text field, we see a sorted array. Then I'll apply a unique sort to the second array. Since the second array has two identical elements, the unique sort was aborted. What we see now is the unsorted array in the third text field. In my next video, I'll cover the numeric and the return indexed array modifiers. To learn more, visit my website at larrystimson.com.